Hello class, how are you all? I hope you and your family members are all good. Today we are going to do an activity based on identification of letter A. So let's start. I request all the parents to draw an letter A on a sheet and allow your kids to do the thumb painting or coloring or anything on letter A so that they will identify the letter A. The kids can do also the thumb painting on the letter A like this. Also, tell your student or advise them to draw the line or color the line from the upward. In this way they will learn that the letter A is start from up from the both side, and in the middle they will do like this. It's a fun activity that we can do with the kids. The second activity that we can do with the ice cream sticks, or ice cream sticks is not available, then you can use cardboard or any hard paper so that we can draw the apple with it. So join it here, press it, take one more small stick and join it here. Help the students to do it at home and they will also enjoy it. These are the two activities by which they can know that how the letter A can be seen or how it can be drawn. Now we will do another activities which help us to know the letters which are beginning with letter A. In the next activity we have taken two objects, two things which are starting with letter A. A for apple and A for alligator. You can draw any two things or any things which can be started with letter A, such as apple. In this we can help the student to do the thumb painting. Or you can take any other material such as dal or any paper or anything which can be pasted on this apple so that they will recognize that or they will know that apple is start with letter A. Second one is alligator. So I have made here an alligator with the help of some cardboard pieces. In that the student will know that this is alligator and it starts with A. I hope you all like it. Do this activity with your kids. It will be fun for them, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.